crows, with autumn a-crawling along the coast. 20, I was ready for a heavy sleep, 'cause then I could think, but I couldn't dream. The days, the lights, the savings couldn't save me. Couldn't save me. No matter what we could have been, 'cause here we got years to spend. I got nothing but my